Hi, my name is Miss Astrid and I love to sew and cosplay. I've been teaching sewing classes on Outschool since 2018 and have helped hundreds of kids on Outschool learn how to sew. My family and I love to attend Comic-Cons and I really enjoy designing costumes for myself and for my kids. We also like to attend Renaissance fairs where some of my designs and costumes have even won awards and contests. So as you can see, one of my favorite things about cosplaying is the creation process. I love choosing my fabric, sewing the pieces, and going through that process and that whole journey from start to finish. So if this is something you're interested in, I'd love to see you through that journey and see your dreams fulfilled. Now this class also includes a printable version of my cosplay planner, which is a very helpful organizer to help you sketch and plan out your overall look. It also includes some printable packing lists and checklists to make sure that you don't forget something important at home. Unfortunately, I've learned that the hard way. Well, I hope I can help you realize your cosplay dreams, and I hope I get to see you in class sometime.